Maxwell House. You like Maxwell House?
Does it smell good?
And it's custom roasted for full flavor. You like coffee smell? You gotta have it now? Does that stimulate your nose or what? This got you going crazy. Is it like ice cream to you now?
Good smell?
Breakfast blend. You like coffee? It smells pretty good. You want to smell? You want to smell? Okay. Yes. It is good coffee. No more naps today, huh?